everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to transfer POS cash to your bank or main cash account in Odoo 90. So this is actually a very important step to keep your accounting accurate and avoid mismatches. So you all know that when you make sales through using the POS in Odoo 90, the cash doesn't automatically go into your main cash or bank account, right? Like instead that you guys need to stay it in a temporary POS account. So if you don't transfer it properly, what will happen? Your report will not match your actual cash. So what you need to do? So here I'm actually under the accounting modules dashboard. Let's head over to the POS module and I'll show you what happened there. So there you can see different kind of POS modules. So one of our POS, shop is actually opened, which is furniture shop, right? There you can see there we have a balance with $2,243.57 are there. So we didn't even close this register. So here once we are there, we need to open our session and make sure it closed or ready to close, because cash transfer usually happens when after closing the sessions. So if I'm going to click on the open register session, you can see this is already in open stage, right? So there you can see this is the opening control. So this is the cash that is already existing inside your POS module. So let me discard this, and here I'm moving on to the backend itself. First of all, let's head over to the accounting module. So let me show you where is the balance of that particular POS module. I'll show you. Let me remove the favorite first from there itself. And if I move there, and there you can see there we have the journal of our cash furniture shop, and there you can see the transaction. And here we have the balance, which is the same as the the amount shows under the POS module, which is the $2,243.57. So here I'm going to show you how to move this cash from the POS cash to the main cash account. Okay, so there we have our main cash account. So I'm going to transfer that money or moving that money to here. So let me show you. So now you can see there we have a balance, and moving to the POS module itself. This is actually a simple process, but it's very important as well. Let me open the register. So if I'm just open the register, you need to copy this amount first of all. If you were just copying this amount, let's open it. After onwards, let's moving on to this icon, and there you have an option to cash in or out. Just click on there, and there we have already opted this is cash out because we need to close this register. So here I'm going to provide the amount under the amount section. Just paste what you are actually copied, okay? And you need to provide the reason. So here I'm going to move the POS cash to the main cash account, okay? So move the POS cash to main account, okay? Main cash account. So if you just provide it's okay, let me give this mood. So if you just provide the actual reason, you can simply confirm with the actual amount as well. Let me confirm it. And once you're done with that, you have a message successfully you made a cash out of $2,243.57. So once you're done with that, now we need to close the register. So moving on to there itself, by clicking on the close register, you can see the cash is actually showing us 0, and there we have an opening cash of this amount, and we are actually cash out this amount. So that's why it actually showing as minus $2,243.57. Once you're done with that, there you can see everything. Now I'm going to close this register. So once I'm closed this register, let me move on to the backend itself. And there you can see if we just open the furniture shop, we don't have enough balance, we have 0 balance. So in every time, if you are just going to close your register in a day by day of your POS session, you need to do this. And after onwards, let's move on to the accounting module. So once I'm there at the accounting module, let me remove the favorite itself. And there you can see the balance is actually showing 0, and there we have to reconcile one item. By clicking on this option, now you can see there we have not matched one. So that's the furniture shop, and it's out mode POS cash to main cash account. So I just give a spelling mistake on that, but it's okay. I hope you all understood what I actually did, right? So once you're done with that, there we have cash transfer. So let's move on to the toggle icon. So we need to get an internal transfer. So you all know that inside Odoo 19 accounting module, we have an option to get the internal transfer from one account to another account. So here we are going to make an internal transfer from the POS cash account to the main cash account. So here I'm just going to click on the internal transfer button, and we are actually transfer the liquidity transfer. Okay, we are done with the liquidity transfer. Once we are done with that, now let's move to the dashboard itself. Now you can see we are reconciled it, but we didn't even provide or move that particular cash into the main cash account. What we should do, we need to click on the transaction button, and once we are done with that, we need to create a new one with the same date. Okay, and I'm going to write a label, which is the cash transferred, or you can give anything, the cash transferred from furniture shop to main cash account. Okay, so here I just provided the label, which is cash transfer from the furniture shop to the main cash account. Once you're done with that, you can provide the same amount that we are copied from there. Okay, so once you're done with that, let's add and close this. After onwards, we need to reconcile it by clicking on this option. We can see the internal transfer. Once we are done with that, we are actually done with the amount that we are actually transferred from the furniture shop. Okay, so there you can see, there we have the liquidity transfer. We are done with each and every kind of things, and we reconciled it. By moving on to the dashboard itself, what will happen from there, from the cash furniture shop to the cash account, we just moved the actual amount under the closing time. Okay, so there we have the $2,243.57 from the furniture cash account to the main cash account. So that's how simply you can move or transfer the money from the POS session to your cash or bank accounts very easily. So I hope you all understood this video, because this is so important, but I know that you guys going to mess up with this easily. So, okay, I'll be back with another kind of good tutorials from the accounting module that is integrating with the different kind of modules in Odoo 90. And please do comment down below if you want any other accounting tutorials, like any other suggestions or any kind of things. So please comment down below. I'll be very happy to do such kind of videos. So till the next video, bye-bye.